Hey everybody, welcome back. You see my face, so you know what that means. It's install time. Before we get to that, I want to say thank you for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If you haven't been here before, like, comment, subscribe. The team over at Haloblk has sent over some accessories that I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's just jump right into it. First up, we're gonna have our 3-in-1 interior package. You're gonna get your pedals. They come with this awesome rendering, some decals, instructions, and I went for the off and on pedals because I think they're a little bit different and cool in my opinion. But if you don't like those, you've got 3 other options to choose from, so whatever floats your boat. And for the second piece in this package, you're gonna get some cup holders, which are pretty nifty in my opinion, with your instruction package. I went for the gray. I think this looks super sleek, great design, and looks very durable to me. Super easy to clean as well. And if you don't like gray, you can get white. So whichever one you feel matches your taste or your interior. Now the last item in this set, you're gonna be able to get a organizer tray. I have the gray one here. I think it looks pretty great with the different sections available for your sunglasses, change, an extra key card maybe. And I applaud Haloblk on always making their accessories just a little bit different from everybody else's with their designs. And what's cool about this, you can get 3 storage bins, 2 storage bins in gray or white, so plenty of options to choose from. Now onto the seat back protectors that they sent me, which are pretty freaking cool. You're gonna have a great soft leather design with your hooks on the bottom there. And it seems like these just go around the seat back and get tucked in because there are no instructions with this. But these come with a pocket, which is awesome. So yes, it's gonna go around the back of your seat, the plastic part there, and cover it all up to help prevent scuff marks or spills or stains or anything to add an extra layer of protection. Now let's see how all these look inside the car. First up is the cup holder. Super easy to install, like so. Looks pretty great, snug fit. Next is the interior console organizer tray. Fits right in, slides back and forth pretty smoothly. I put in my eyeglasses, some Altoids and coins, and it has a section that you can wire through your power cord so it doesn't fall down. Now the alloy pedals here, you're going to want to turn your AC on to the highest speed and temperature. Place them on top of the AC so that it loosens up the rubber by heating it up to make it easier to apply. Start from the bottom here, and as soon as you get the bottom on, you're going to work your way around each side. But make sure before you move on to the next side, all of the edges are secure. Otherwise, it's just gonna come right off and you're gonna have to start all over. I didn't take my own advice. One of the sides fell off and wasn't secure, so I had to go back in and redo it all again, and that was a pain. So just make sure, double check your work before you move on to the next. And for the accelerator cover, or the on one here, you're just gonna wanna start at the bottom, slide all the way to the top. I heard a nice pop sound and it was good to go. I think these are a great little addition to the interior, just to stand out more and be different from everyone else. Before I put on the seat covers, I made sure to wipe down the back of my seats with an APC, all-purpose cleaner, and a microfiber towel, just to make sure they were clean. I started from the top and tucked that piece in first to make sure it was aligned correctly, and then proceeded around the rest of the back of the seat and tucked in the pieces for a nice, snug fit. And the creases you see in the leather there will wear out over time, so don't worry about that. It's just from being packed away. And for the hooks underneath, I just felt around and found a place where I felt was okay. And there you go, bada bing, bada boom. And copy and paste for your other seat. I really gotta hand it to Haloblk here. I think these are a great accessory to have to anyone that's a clean freak like me. To protect the back of my seats from scuff marks from shoes or any pets that can scratch the back of the seats. just to have an added layer of protection with that pocket also is a huge plus for me. And just like that, I have an added layer of protection on the back of my seats that you can barely even notice. So once again, Haloblk, great job on these. I think you guys should really pick these up if you want to protect the back of your seats. And here's a code for 10% off your entire order. So there you have it, Haloblk's 3-in-1 interior kit and their seat back covers. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Do you really not care about them? Anywho, be sure to follow my Instagram page. I do have giveaways on there from these companies as well. And like always, I thank you. Be blessed and take care.